What we do is a variety of things in a variety of countries, kind of three propositions. One looks at the development of skills for children. One looks at the development of something called business intelligence systems in schools, which is how you collect information about the whole process and how you present that information, how you use that information to generate insights to get a better process operating. And the third is how we offer redesign help for schools who want to redesign their environment so that they are fit for the 21st century. So I'm here today because I believe that if we can actually get more schools to work successfully in this area, we can actually reduce issues of mental health, which is, from a school perspective, is a kind of hidden problem. Schools deal with it very often on an ad hoc basis, and what I'm suggesting is actually we can use some of these insight-building ideas to create an environment where young people can relate to adults more effectively, and actually the adults can help them overcome the difficulties they've got and bring together a range of services both within school and beyond to address those problems. I think the work we've done has made a contribution towards reducing youth mental health by the fact that we had fewer disturbed children running around the school, far fewer exclusions, and more children being successful academically and wanting to stay in the world of education. Whereas when we started, the stay-on rate was only 2 children at 16, and when we ran the programme it's jumped to 120. So people beginning to see an aspiration for themselves beyond simply getting out of school as soon as possible. Our interest is based on my experience as a head teacher, was about developing risk profiles on children and trying to understand the risks that children have in an extant fashion, getting that information out there, and then trying to work to reduce those risks and improve resilience so that you actually see each child as having potential difficulties. Some of them are very small and some of them are really quite complex and quite large. So trying to get data into a sort of reasonable set of ordered piece, and then using that information to understand what's actually going on, and using that information to change language within a school, but also to enable us to develop a series of interventions which we can then measure and see whether we're successful with a child. The main challenges in England today is actually getting schools to commit to this kind of problem-solving approach, given that they're measured entirely on academic results. But actually what we're saying is, what researchers around the world are saying, is that non-cognitive skills drives academic success. So if you want to be successful academically, you need to fix these issues and make sure you're successful in that area.